2008 little guy rascal trailer. The guy only gave $2,500 for it. It's got some water damage. It only weighs 400 pounds. $2,500 is a good deal. I think they were about 5,000-6,000 new. They weren't cheap. They left it behind while they went to Walmart. I'm gonna watch and make sure nobody gets it. We're camping in Florida at the Green Swamp, Dade City, Florida. I hooked that up to my Honda Rancher ATV just for pictures. I think it'd be too small. It wouldn't use much extra gas because it's light. I'm filming in a Sony Handycam 4K HDR AX33 camcorder.